Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix 1666 Amsterdam An Unreal process has crashed UE-Amsterdam error. So if you are also getting this kind of error and looking for fixes, no need to worry. Just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method what you have to do is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. So for that, go to the search option. From here, you have to search for device manager. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel users, go through the link already given in the description. You can easily update your graphics card from there. And if you are going through the website, then here you have to enter your graphics card details manually, and after that click on the find option, and after that you will get the details of your graphics card. Select it, and after that click on view option, and here you will get the download option. So simply click on download and install it, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If this doesn't work, come back, type -dx12 and now check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game file. So this will check and verify the game files, and after that launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Here click on check for updates option. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to close background apps. For that, go to the search for task manager. So search for task manager, open it. Under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. If it's of no use, simply select it, right click on it, click on end a task. So this will close the app that is running in the background without any use. After that, launch the game and check if the problem you're coming across is resolved or not. Next is to lower graphics settings. So if your graphics settings are not properly set up, then you can suffer from crashing or other issues. So you are suggested to lower the graphics settings. Also suggested to adjust shadows, effects, and textures from high to medium or low as per needed. Next is, if you are a NVIDIA GPU user, open NVIDIA app, change this to, go to the graphics option, set CUDA GPUs to your specific graphics card, and in the same page, go below, set power management mode to prefer maximum performance. And if you are AMD GPU user, then reset your shader cache. Open the Adrenaline graphics and reset shader cache. After that, launch the game and check if the problem is fixed. Next is to disable antivirus programs. If there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, then you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check if the error is fixed. Next is to repair system files. So for that, you have to open command prompt. Go to the search option and search for command prompt, and after that copy and paste this one, sfc/scan now. So simply paste it and enter it, and after that once it is verified, now check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact Unreal Engine support. So for that, you have to reach out to the official of Unreal Engine support. Link I have already provided in the description. Here support specialists have access to detailed diagnostic tools and can identify your crash logs directly. They will better guide you with the solutions. So go through it, explain the issue to them, and they will surely help to resolve the problem. So these are few solutions to fix Unreal error on 1666 Amsterdam game on PC. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.